Hello guys, let me show you a brand new product here in ClickBank which you can promote using Bing ads and get lots of traffic. Very efficient and cost effective. You won't have to spend so much money on advertising with this product. So let's have a look. So the product is Brain Health Smart. So if you come here to affiliate market page, so just type this product. So as you can see here, Brain Health Smarts. Don't worry about the gravity score because this is a brand new product. So it's been in ClickBank for just around 1 to 2 weeks. That's why not many affiliates are promoting this product. So we can, grab the opportunity, take advantage of the early, sales that we can get with this product. And the conversion rate is quite good, 72.44. So later I will show you the keywords that we are going to use in order to get lots of traffic and efficient, cost of our budget in creating a campaign for this product. So let's take a look at the sales page of this product. So as you can see here, so it is mainly for supplement for brain health. Okay, so they've got this program. It's not actually a medicine, but it's a program that they're trying to promote here. So if you scroll down, what's good about this one is it's easy to make some sales because as you can see, I'll show you. Scroll down further to the product itself. So it's just cost 39.95. So most probably you'll get sale because it's not too much. Okay, and many people are looking for brain health program, which I'm going to show you now. So we go ahead to we will be using Microsoft Bing ads to promote this product. So what we're gonna do is come here to Microsoft Bing ads and go to the keyword planner, and this is the keyword that we are going to use. So as you can see here, this one, brain health smart programs. And if we take a look this, so here, go to keyword suggestion. There's a lot of here there's a lot of keywords which are related to supporting the brain health. Okay, and it's very relevant to the product that we are going to promote. So the next thing that I'm gonna show you is if you take the estimate of how much traffic you're gonna get and the how much money you're going to spend in order to promote this. So click this and click this add to estimates. Okay, as you can see, you can get almost 83,000 impressions with the right bid of these keywords. Of course, you won't get all the keywords. So what we're going to do if you're going to create this campaign is select all the relevant keywords. For the demo of this video, so I'm just giving you some estimate, some example of how you can get those keywords and get lots of traffic to promote this product. So if you want to spend, like, for example, 50 a day, and let's say you're willing to pay 0.25, get estimates. So as you can see, you can get almost 100 clicks to promote this product, and you will just be spending $15 to $21 for 100 clicks. Okay, so probably if you create a good landing page for this product, you will have a high chance of getting some sales. And it's really a good product because, as you can see, lots of people are searching for this product. As you can see, the clicks and the amount of interest of people who are willing to get some programs related to their brain. Okay, in order to start this, it's very important you create a landing page because you cannot direct your visitors to the sales page, to this one. So, and if you direct this your visitors to this page, it's not that engaging because you have to capture first your visitor. You have to make them engage into your page, make them interested what you're offering. What you're going to do is create a landing page using the pagepro.com. So I'll give you some example. So if you log in, create a free account, so you will be creating a landing page like this. So as you can see here, it's beautifully created and it's clean, nice looking. So this is one ClickBank product that you can use to promote. So this one here, as you can see, we've got the bullet section around here and then the small article. So small article, don't worry on creating them because there is always this tool, the Textify.com. So it's like the Jasper or whatever AI generated content generator that you can find in the internet. The only difference here is it's give you the same quality, but it's totally free. You won't have to pay anything. You just need to sign up a free account here, and then as you can see, type in your keyword here. You have lots of tools here. Compose the headline for your landing page. As you can see, suggest black headline, and then you can also compose the complete the complete content of your article using this composed blog paragraph. So the Texify.com, and you combine it with the PagePro.com, so you will get a high chance of getting some sales with this kind of the keywords that we can get. Use the right keywords, as I told you, because there are people who are who are watching this video that literally taking that you cannot make that kind of sale using those keywords. Of course, this is a demo. I'm showing you how you can start. It's not exactly how you're gonna promote the product, but because most people don't know how they're gonna start affiliate marketing. So this is just a guide for you. I'm not guaranteeing, I'm not making a guarantee that you could make some sales, but this is a starting point. Okay, so I'm providing you all these free tools without any charges. I'm not earning anything. I'm not earning any commission at all, but these are just free tools that I'm showing you. Okay, because I'm using these tools myself. The main purpose of making these tools is to use it for myself, but I'm willing to share it with you. So I'm not sure why still those people who are saying negative things like you won't make any sales using this technique. I'm not asking you any money, so you can follow this or not. It's up to you. Okay guys, so here, so I'm just providing you the guidelines on the tools that you can make. It's up to you whether you use it or not, but the purpose of this video is just to show you this new product and some ideas on how you can promote them using this kind of keywords. So you just estimate the amount of traffic that you could get in order to make some sales, and not spending too much money on advertising this product. Okay, so these are just guidelines for you guys. Okay, so it's not really the way you are going to promote this product. And one thing that I wanted to show you guys is this one. If you go to this website called keyword2free.com, so I'm also putting a link to the description below. So I also made this tool in order to help you guys to search some keywords, because I know a lot of keyword tool on the internet are quite expensive. So I made a free version for you guys, so you don't have to pay anything again. So you can just use this whenever you want. So the main purpose I created this is for myself, but I'm sharing it with you guys. So I use this program because it's simple and I don't want too much complicated tool in when I'm researching my keyword. So I'm using this keyword2free.com, and I'm going to share it with you guys. So as you can see, brain health program. So these data are from Google. So these are live data. As you can see, there are people. This 90 search volume is really a good number. So it's not actually 90, but when there is a search volume, it means that this product is people are really searching for this product, and the competition index is quite low. So if you want to make an organic traffic using this keyword, so you can do that. And also there are suggestions here, a keyword suggestion that you can use, and there are also, you can do some more keyword research on this tool, brain health program, and it will suggest you lots of keywords that you can use in order for you to start your campaign. And you can also directly use these keywords in Microsoft ads and give you lots of traffic, and it's up to you how much you set per bid. So I just told you, so just 0.20 and you can get this much of clicks, and if you combine them with these keywords, you can get more clicks. Okay, so here these are the tools that you can use in order for you to start doing affiliate marketing. So the Texify.com is for your content. You can create your own blog, you can write content articles using this tool alone. I know lots of people already using this, and they are making some success in doing their blog posts and landing pages. And also I know lots of people making some sales using the pagepro.com. So they're sending me emails thanking me that they're thanking me that because of I provided the tools for them, a free tool for them in order to start affiliate marketing. They have started making some sales, although not too much. Of course guys, we cannot just become rich overnight, so we have to work out, we have to work hard, and do some research on our own. So I'm here guys to provide you these free tools in order for you to start. So I'm still not understanding why some people commenting negative things. So I'm not earning anything from you guys. These are free tools which you can use, and of course here don't worry about the ads, you can ignore them. It's just for me to support the page. So I know it's quite annoying, but just ignore them. The tools are quite useful. as you can see, you have a lots of here that even it has text to speech or answer questions. You can go to Quora and answer some questions and put the link to your landing page. Don't put directly the link to link from ClickBank. Just always use landing page. Okay, yeah, if you are trying to promote a ClickBank product, make sure you use landing pages. Okay, so that's my advice. That's it, guys. So if you have any question, just post in the comment below. Thank you.